Hello, everyone. I'm here on behalf of Tuya SelfService team to speak on the subject of appliance rental with you all today. So what is appliances rental? So appliance rental is a new way of utilizing appliances in a rent-to-own method. Many appliances are not needed all year long, such as pumps and ice makers. And the idea of appliance rental is that it reduces vacancy period for these devices by renting them out to others who have a need. For people who have spare devices, they can choose to rent it out and make some income from it. And for people who don't possess any appliances, they can rent it for a much cheaper price and return it when not needed. So why does appliance rental exist? For consumers, appliances are not an optional choice for household and offices. However, many appliances are not cheap, and even the lowest cost models can go for at least a few $100, which can be a sizable investment depending on the funding availability. Fortunately, appliance rental exists as another option. With appliance rentals, customers can access name brand appliances delivered directly to the location needed at a small weekly or monthly cost. The biggest reason supporting this choice is the ability to reduce expenses, as a rental would greatly decrease the upfront costs necessary, as well as the costs associated with dealing with the appliances once it has reached the end of its useful life. Appliance rentals are also often accompanied by installation, delivery, and repair services, which are either free of charge or included in the rental bill. This can be a great benefit to those who are not available or capable of installation operations, or simply wish to reduce inconveniences. Finally, a rental can also be a good option for one who would not be staying in the same location for a long time. If there is a plan to change jobs or living location in the near future, investing in an expensive appliance would bring further trouble, such as uninstalling and moving, especially over a long distance. Using a rental will allow the option of simply canceling the lease and returning the unit whenever it is convenient. For businesses, this option is beneficial in that the terms allow for a high degree of flexibility in time, from within a day up to many years. In cases of long-term rental, if accumulated fee exceeds that of the cost, depreciation, the renting party will come to own the appliance. The option allows for a range of appliances and the ability to reduce capital expenditure, which could be extremely beneficial for small startups. For example, an ice maker is essential for coffee shops, and these appliances can set the owner back by thousands of dollars. However, by renting an ice maker along with other expensive appliances, the owner can free up capital for other activities such as advertising campaign or store renovation. In 2017, the global appliances rental market reached 3,906 million US, and the market is expected to grow to 8,219 million by the end of 2025, by registering a CAGR of 9.87% across the globe. One of the major factors contributing to the increase in global demand for appliances rentals is the rising millennial population. The entry of this generation into a workforce that is currently characterized by unstable working and living locations have directly led to the increase in adopting the use of rental appliances. North America is estimated to account for a share of 21.1% by 2025 in the appliances rental market. The growth in this region can be attributed to the increase in expats during the forecasted period, which is expected to be the driving force behind the growth of the appliance rental market. So US is the prominent market driving the growth in the region. Additionally, US appliance rental market reached $733.9 million US in 2017, and is expected to reach $1,510 million US by the end of 2025. Expanding at a CAGR of 9.55% over the forecasted period, That is 2019 to 2025, US appliance rental market expected to achieve a YoY growth rate of 9.88% in 2025 as compared to previous years. Global appliance rental market are segmented on the basis of distribution channels, which can be online or offline. The offline segment occupies the largest share of market at 76.91% in 2017. The online segment is expected to reach an approximate USD of 1,963 million by the end of 2025, from 902 in 2017. Moreover, this segment is anticipated to flourish a CAGR of 10.34% over the forecasted period. So for scenarios, there are no limitations in appliances that can be rented. Here we have given some of our most popular appliances with our clients. These include ice maker, air purifier, and washing machine. With the first two being adopted in a lot of office areas and food and drink stores, and washing machine rental being extremely popular in 24/7 self-laundry rooms. So the rental process is actually very simple. So first of all, the customer registers on the app, and then that would direct them to the app showroom to select a model and confirm the order. And after that, they can select how long they want to rent it for the initial period. And then it will be delivered, and it will deliver the appliance as soon as possible, normally within the agreed period to the designated property. Some of the appliances will also include setup fee, and some will include the installation fee within the rental fee. Once it has been completed, a weekly or monthly fee will be paid for the lease of the unit, and most contracts will allow the customers to return the unit at their discretion or continue to lease until they own the unit. The length of time required for this will be included in the information when the unit is initially rented out. So we provide two methods of connecting with our manufacturers. So for manufacturers that has already found teams building smart platforms, we'll provide PaaS docking and dock their hardwares into our SaaS system. And for manufacturers that's yet to develop a smart platform, we can provide them with an entire SaaS solution. Using the SSE SaaS business model, Tuya will be able to offer solutions that increase device connectivity, IoT basic services, SaaS, and its operating system. Devices will have the ability to connect quickly and achieve online long distance control and operation management through a connecting set to the SaaS platform. For example, SSE precision operation can allow targeted pricing strategies in different areas or business districts, concise control over marketing activities, and the setting of transaction-related fees through the SaaS platform. This allows the integration of a mobile payment system in which the user can scan a QR code through the app to make payments, and the manufacturers can analyze the payment data of the user through the SaaS platform to organize management and transaction statistics. So here we have included some of the screenshots on our app to see how everything works. So the first slide here, we have included a washing machine interface. So you can select basically how you want to wash with the washing machine on screen with these 16 options. And this is what it looks like when you enter the app of washing machine. It will also show power consumption as well. Here is a screenshot of fridges. Rental refrigerators are also really commonly seen. And with our app, we can monitor the degree, its functions, and eco mode, as well as turning on child lock. So here is another popular rental appliance. It's a coffee maker, and with our coffee maker, we made it look really pretty with switches and concentration and mode, as well as warm or cold and cleaning functions. So here is an interface of our air purifier. So we have the TDS in and out statistics and its status, current temperature, desalting rate, and its filter time as well. OEM capabilities. So our SaaS OEM, we support custom domain name, logo, cover photo, and menu functions. And for our app OEM, we support custom logo and cover photo. So here is a screenshot of the preparation for Tuya SelfService SaaS backend. And for current projects, we're working with Mr. Tan. They are a main player in the air purifier rental market in China. And so they've connected their air purifier devices into Tuya. And so they're running on our app. So we support both subscription or hourly rental fees on these devices. And that is all for today. Thank you all for listening. And we'll be starting our Q&A session now. So if you've got any questions, you can just type them in chat and we'll answer it to the best we can. Thank you.